My name is ALIF and my partner is FERHAD. Today I will teach you about MAT183 application of integration and this topic is on chapter 5. What is integration? Application of integration. An internal integral assign number to function in a way that can describe decimal, area, volume, and other concepts that arise by combining infinitesimal data integration in one of the two main operations of calculus: inverse operation, differentiation, and others. So, the problem statement. We can see a shaded area of R, and we have two functions. So, for the question 1, find the coordinate of M and N. When we see the coordinate of M and N, we can use a concept y equal to y. In this concept, we must have y equation, and this question we have x equation. So we must change it to make x equation to become y equation. So we can get like this. This and this. So when we do like move, we must move the power root to become the power of 2, and we must put all equation in one place, and it will become a full equation. And we get the full equation, we must use calculator to get a x point. So we get x equal to 10 and x equal to 5. When we get the x point, we can use it and it become y point. So we can get x equal to 10, we can get y equal to 3, x equal to 5, y equal to 2. When we get x point, we must put in all equation, so it will become easier to find y equation, y point. So like this. And when we get all the point, we can consume as n point is 10 and -3, and m point 5 and 2. The coordinate of n is 10, -3, and coordinate of m 5 and 2. For the question B, find the area of the shaded region area. When we want to find the area of the shaded region, we must have the limit. So we use the old method, that y equal to y. So we get the limit of the shaded area. That is 2 and -3. That is the limit. When we look at the problem statement, it near to y-axis, so we must use dy and we must use y equation like this: y power of 2 plus 1 minus 7 to minus 1. So we combine the equation, it will become like this, and we must integrate the equation, and it will become y power of 3 divided by 3 plus y power of 2 divided by 2 minus 6y. This is the limit. When we have the limit, we must put the limit into the y, and we must separate. Like this is for limit 2 and this for limit -3. When we solve the equation, we get negative. In area, we don't get a negative equation. It must be positive. No area has decreased. We are searching for equal area. So when we get a negative answer, it must be positive. We can use modulus method. So we have this modulus, and we can get this modulus. It can help us to negative to become positive. So the answer is 25/6 unit. So for the conclusion, integration is used to measure things that can be length, area, or volume. It can be probabilities in the context of random variable. It can measure the behavior of a function in any particular sense that one want to measure behavior. It also can help. This method it can help in real life, and it also can help to do any chapter. It can help to measure it. In this method, when we learn in chapter 5, you can use in any chapter. The method all is it can be used in any chapter. So thank you for me.